All right, so I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can link up one of your forms that you've created within GoHighLevel to your WordPress or really any website at all. I'll just show you how to do that. So I'm going to do my guest application for my podcast. So I'm going to go to my podcast folder, go into the application here. And if you want to know how to actually set this form up, I've actually just posted a video about that on this channel, so you'll be able to find it there. So this is what this looks like. Oh, and this should not just say button, hello. Submit, application, there we go. Cool. Save that. And then we're gonna press integrate. And then I want it to be inline, that's perfect. Trigger type, always show, always activate, never deactivate. So all we're gonna do, copy embed code. That's it. So now you'll go over to whoever hosts your website. Right now, I'm going to be on a WordPress website. Then you're going to go to Pages, All Pages. Then once inside, go to wherever you want your application to live. So I'm going to edit here. All right. So now we're going to scroll down to wherever you want it here. So be the voice on our expert series. Apply now. So what happens when you click this button is it's actually going directly to the form location, which is fine. I like to keep it clean with a button, but if you wanted to add the actual form onto your website, all you would need to do, and then this would just be right here. It's basically just a custom code, yeah. So you would add that. Why is it not going? There we go. So what's going to happen is it just embedded the form on our website, which is super cool. Uh, I don't entirely like that on my page though. So I'm not gonna custom embed, but if you wanted to do it, that's how you do it. So I'm gonna delete this. And then what I'm gonna do instead is I'm actually just gonna pull, um, I'm gonna pull over just what I would need to link it up. Okay. So that was if you copy the embed code, if you want to embed it in your website. The other one is just copy the form link. And then what it's going to do is actually just pull it up in a separate web page, just like this. Okay, so that's how I want it to be. I want it to be just a simple web page. So we're going to go back here, and then where it says apply now, all I'm doing is clicking inside and then updating that link here. So now all we've got to do is press update on the WordPress site, and then let's preview and make sure that it worked. So we'll scroll down to where it says apply now. Now let's apply now, and it's going to bring us to this page, which is exactly what we want. So feel free, go ahead, update your link now. Choose either the embed or choose if they just click the link and go into the application that way and add this to your website.